For whistleblowers who are considering coming forward to report fraud, contacting an attorney is often an important first step in that process. Here are some tips to help you get the most out of that initial consultation with an attorney. First, it can be really helpful to collect your thoughts before the call. This will help you to be more organized in the way you present your experience and the facts of your case. For instance, you might consider starting with a brief summary of the fraud. This could be as simple as stating your position in the company if you're employed there, who all is involved, and what type of fraud you think is occurring. It can also be really useful to write down your main points so you have something to refer to during the call rather than having to recall everything from memory. Second, think about what kind of evidence you have to support your claims. Whistleblowers coming forward have usually experienced or witnessed something firsthand, but oftentimes they also have documents or other types of evidence to support their claims. This could be contracts, invoices, reports, even claims data. Whatever you think really helps to show what is happening. Taking stock of what you have will allow you to be able to share that information with the attorney as well as answer any questions they might have. Third, keep it confidential. When you're going through this process of deciding whether to report fraud to the government, it's really important to keep your information confidential. This will allow you to make decisions about your case without any external pressure, and it will also help to protect the integrity of the whistleblower process. Fourth, ask questions. We understand that this process of coming forward and reporting fraud and potentially filing a whistleblower case does not come naturally to most people, and it is really common to have a lot of questions. We have created answers to many of the frequently asked questions on our website, so that can be a good starting place to get additional information. If you still have questions during your call, which most people do, make sure to ask. We're here to support you, and we want to make sure you understand the process. And finally, be in a comfortable space. When you arrange to speak to an attorney, you want to be in a space that feels comfortable, where you can speak confidentially and uninterrupted. So try to be someplace private, where you can really feel comfortable speaking openly and honestly about your case and any concerns you might have. If you're thinking about coming forward as a whistleblower, we're here to help.